Hi guys, my name is Faz and you are watching Technical Tuition YouTube channel. In this interesting video, I am gonna show you how to create a professional YouTube channel, art or a YouTube banner. So complete watch this video, and before starting the video, I have one request for you. Please like this video and subscribe this channel. So let's start this interesting video. So to create a YouTube channel art, we will use Canva app for this YouTube banner. You can create on Photoshop or anywhere that you want, and you can see I already have signed in. You can create an account, and if you have, you need to sign in here. After signing, you need to click create a design, and you need to set here YouTube channel art. You can see it was in the first position. Click on it and it will open in a new tab, and it is the dashboard. They are the management system where we create our YouTube channel art, and we need to fix the size where we create our channel art. To fix the size, I go to in elements, I move my scroll and click on elements and draw a shape rectangular, and I will resize it in 423 in height and 1546 in the width. You need to resize in this size. Okay, just follow me without my voice.
Emin hazırsan renk